Greetings, global audience, and welcome once again. For those who will be wondering and asking questions about the outcome of the flood in Nigeria and how residents are coping with the flood, guys, this is true, it's massive. And if I could recall, the last time something like this happened was in 2012, where people were displaced of their properties, theft everywhere, and other crawling creatures even entering people's houses. So, according to report, it was said that Cameroon opened their kanji, their dam, yes. So that is why the flood had to overflow into Nigeria as a country. So you'll be seeing some clips from the Niger Delta axis. As you can see here, this is Ndokwa East Local Government Area Community in Delta State, Nigeria.
This is our community.
Hey, Jesus. What do I see?
This is our community. Uno secretary. Can you imagine?
So guys, people should know that it's flood and not that it's river, ocean or sea, okay? You can see people's property. And because the flood is so high, it made people to leave their homes. So guys, let's go to the Patani axis between Bayelsa State and Delta State, that is Port Harcourt Road.
Oh boy, see how that community around flood and take over everywhere. Now like this now swim now, one swim cross. You dey have you. Boy, I don't make everything hard for the country.
His name not they come out for story. Even flood in Nigeria is still Buhari that caused it. Guys, let's move to another part of the Niger Delta area, same Port Harcourt Warri Road.
You don't go. If I go to this road, no be chance. This road, better money.
Worst of all, in short, poverty is a bastard. Just imagine how the poor are suffering, cooking inside the flood because they don't have anywhere to go. My good God, who have done this to Nigeria as a nation? They said an injury to one is an injury to all. When you know the pains the poor are going through, even as a rich person, you will stoop so low to their level to see what they are crying or lamenting about. That is exactly what 2023 Labour Party presidential aspirants have done. Okay, because the man is a man of the people. From the grassroots to any level, he must associate. So he went within the environs in Niger Delta to see what is happening as well. Mr. Peter Obi further said, in continuation of his visit to areas affected by flood, he visited parts of Anambra East and West with some stakeholders, and that he saw houses submerged to the roof levels with water, and he's still wondering why the federal government of Nigeria have not formally declared a flood emergency and intervention modalities. Yes, Mr. Obi, that is the country we find ourselves. Yes, because they don't care about the masses in as much as any members of their family, lovers, girlfriends, concubines, what have you, that they are interested in are not affected, so therefore they don't give a damn.
Makuna fear God. Every time we take claim, so we get a land, we get a land. The owner of land don't come collect them. My landlord they pursue me for house every day. Come out from my house, come out from my house. Now the water don't even pursue and come out from your house. There is God. This flood will come, not be only the poor it affect, both the poor and rich. Now they suffer. Una they see swimming pool there everywhere.
Now, this is by force swimming pool by nature, work of nature. You don't even need to go to hotels to pay to swim anymore. And if you cannot swim, I'm sorry, it's your case. You might be drowned. So now, people should just hold their children. In short, let's see the bunch of water in these people's house.
This time around was bunch of water. Oh yeah, bunch of water. Surrounded in our house. Surrounded in our house. When we came, we shout, Jesus! Look at my mommy. There is some people in our house.
So guys, these videos and clips I just showed you now is from Nigeria, okay? From different community, different states in Nigeria that were affected by this disaster 2022 flood. So guys, keep praying for Nigeria, that God Almighty, who said that we should obey people in governance, we should obey the law, and people in the land should give us good leaders that will come to put things right for Nigerians and for residents in that country. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. I will see you some other time, God willing. Goodbye for now.